Hello everyone, it's Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. And today I'm bringing you another weekly one reason. We're inspecting a 2017 Class A diesel pusher. This is a high-end variety, 43 feet long. And we're inspecting it. Something that you would obviously see. But if you didn't see the RV before you went and looked at it and did your walkthrough, this is something that you wouldn't know was wrong with it in the first place. So let's just take a quick gander down here at the ignition. So right there is where the ignition switch is supposed to be. And obviously it's not there. Now I put the keys in the ignition switch so we can see where it's dangling under the dash. Now, obviously, that's something the dealership's gonna fix. But you may have never known there was an issue with that. Until, or never. You may have never known there was something. And this RV should have been PDI'd before I got here. If it was, they forgot to fix something. And so we're gonna show you that that was an issue, and you can make your decision based on that. Obviously it needs to be fixed. It needs to be fixed right. When you come out to do your walkthrough, you can make sure that key, ignition, all that is good, solid. It's not going to fall back out before you purchase. So with your weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, it's Jason, and you have a nice day.